Okay, so today I chose to do Microsoft OneNote for this badge, as this is what I use on my computer already. So let's go back here. As you can see, I have three different notebooks. I have one that I just update my homework with, so I'm keeping track of what I'm doing. Then I have one specifically for this class, and right now my theme I'm going with is kindergarten math. So here are just some different websites that I use to brainstorm activities. This is one of the articles that I pulled. As you can see, I did some highlights, starting of important things. I threw in a couple of added notes and whatnot into it. Here is another article that I clipped it and dropped it into here about contemporary education. And then here are some different photos that I found from Creative Commons. They were all free to use. Unless you violated the terms, then you would have to give credit to whoever took the photo. However, I just took them straight from the website, so no big deal. And then this is another notebook I have. It's for my HDFS class, and I just use it to take notes from what we talk about in class and what I've read online. So yeah.